This Dorian Bennett Sotheby's International Realty property video is presented by MichaelBain. Extraordinary 160-plus-year-old black pearl home. Not on the market for 60-plus years. Incredibly well maintained, with manicured grounds and huge courtyard, with stucco walls surrounding property. Beautiful woodwork, original plaster moldings and medallions, heart pine floors throughout, 5 fireplaces. Kitchen features 48 inches commercial range and restaurant hood, with granite counters, wet bar and extensive storage. For more information, review the details below or contact MichaelBain at 504-452-4677.